Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this video, we'll explore Google Scholar, a freely available research tool that lets you find scholarly articles, books, theses, and more across many disciplines. Google Scholar works a lot like regular Google, but it focuses on academic sources such as journal articles, university publications, and professional papers. You can use it to discover reliable, scholarly materials, even if you're not sure which database to start with. To start, you're going to want to go to scholar.google.com, which will take you to the homepage here. For the best results, you'll want to connect it to the Bakersfield College Library. To do that, you need to click the menu icon in the top left corner here, go to Settings, click Library Links, and here you're going to want to search for Bakersfield College, hit enter, and check it here. So now, if a source that you find on Google Scholar is available in the BC Library, it will retrieve the link and take you to the source directly through the BC Library. And this might connect you to a lot of more sources that might not be available to just anyone performing a search. So we will hit save. So to start with a basic search, just type in your keywords or exact phrases into the search bar here. So just for this example, let's do climate change and education. So just like in other databases, you can use the Boolean operators. For instance, and combines these ideas, so that way all of the sources retrieved will contain both climate change and education. If you want to broaden your search, you could change it to or, and this will bring up results that mention either climate change or education, or you could even exclude terms by using not. But just to show you the search, we're going to go back to and, keep it broad. So results are sorted by relevance and citation frequency. So highly cited articles are often going to appear first. Under each result, you'll see links like PDF here, HTML, or find it at the BC Library. So if you click here, it will direct you to that resource through the BC Library. And if you are unable to access a source through Google Scholar, you might have a better chance at finding it through the BC Library by clicking here. This is just directing us to the source. As you can see, it takes us directly to the PDF, which we can then download directly to your device by clicking the download button right up here. I'm going to go back here. So another excellent feature in Google Scholar is the cited by link beneath each result. So here you can see that this particular source was cited quite a few times. And what that tells you is that this particular resource has been mentioned and referenced by many other writers. So chances are this is probably something that could be reputable and could be very relevant for what your topic is. Additionally, seeing how many times this was cited and how many other times other authors have cited the source can help you trace how a topic has developed over time. Additionally, directly to the right of that, you could click Related Articles. And what this will do is explore similar research on the same subject of that particular source. To keep track of what you find, you want to click the star button below a result to save it to your personal library. You can do that by clicking this. And you could either add it to your own list, create a new one, whatever way helps you keep your material organized. And additionally, you can use the quotation mark cite here to cite the source. which provides citations in MLA, APA, and other formats. However, just always double check these because they are not perfect, and you don't want to just go with one of these and think it's right and find out that it's actually incorrect. So always double check your citations before turning in any of your assignments. To perform an advanced search in Google Scholar, you can click the menu icon here and go to Advanced Search. So here, you can narrow by author, publication, or even date range. Filtering by recent years is especially useful if you're looking for current research on a topic. So if you wanted to, this was our search that we had just performed, but if we wanted to look for a particular term, we could search for an exact phrase. I guess just climate change here. With at least one of these words, we can just put classroom. So, and then here will be anywhere in the article or specifically in the title. Here we can just type an author's name if we want to look specifically for a specific author or a specific journal, as well as a date range. But just to show you how that goes. So this is going to bring up all results that contain the terms climate change and education, specifically containing the phrase climate change, which it's going to, or classroom. So that's it for Google Scholar. It's a powerful tool for finding academic research, exploring citations, and connecting your searches to the full-text materials available through the BC Library. If you need help setting up Google Scholar or refining your searches, don't hesitate to reach out to me or ask any other friendly BC librarian for help. We are here to help.